Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your Heic files are already in My Drive and that you can edit files with Colab. Once done, open a new Google Colab notebook and immediately mount Google Drive so Colab can read and write files directly. Use Drive, Mount, /content/Drive, and authorize with your Google account. This gives you path access like /content/drive/my drive/your folder. Make sure the folder path is correct before moving on, because the conversion script will read and write there. Next, install the necessary Python packages inside Colab. Pip install pillow-pillow-hyph, which lets Pillow decode Heic. Then write a small loop that walks your target drive folder, opens each, Heic or hyph with pillow-hyph. Open and converts to a pillow image. Save each image as JPG using image. Save, output path, JPEG, quality equals 95. Make sure to construct stable input/output file names and create a separate output folder to avoid overriding original. To finish, verify every generated JPG by opening them in Drive Preview or downloading a sample to confirm color and orientation. Once satisfied, you can delete the Heic originals or move them to an archive folder. If something goes wrong, first check that Colab had permission to write to the folder and that the mount path matches exactly. Rerun Drive. Mount /content/drive and reauthorize if needed. Also ensure pillow-hyph installed successfully. Reinstall and restart the runtime if decoding errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.